I am tasting a hair wax. Nan, babo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, you have seen Ezra from our previous vlogs. And right now for today's vlog, sasamahan niyo ulit tayo because we're gonna introduce a beauty product for today. No? Check out these products we're gonna be promoting today. Right, so more of that and more of Ezra in our vlog. Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
Hi everyone, my name is Beatrice Paula Pineda-C, founder of the newly released product, the Kiss Wax. The brand is Fleur Natural. Kiss Wax is an organic wax made from natural ingredients. So it has two variants at the moment, hot wax and the cold wax. So very easy to use sila and very affordable. Okay, ano nga ba yung difference ng hot and cold wax? Si hot wax, you would need strips para gamitin siya. So yung strips included na yun sa package. 8 strips and a spatula. You have to reheat it, microwave oven for 10 seconds. Pwede mo rin siyang pakuluin and pwede rin gumamit ng dryer. Tapos, ipapahid mo lang siya sa hair. Isang pahid lang and then ilalagay mo yung cloth. Tapos automatic, mawawala na siya. Walang sakit. Sobrang galing ng product na to. Si cold wax, so no need to reheat na si cold wax. You can use it pagka open ng bottle, pwede mo na siyang gamitin with your own hands. I-knead mo lang siya, tapos ilalagay mo lang siya. Part na gusto mong alisan ng hair, tapos hihilain mo, mawawala na siya. Very, very easy to use. Plus, yung quality ng wax natin is maganda. Hindi siya watery, madali siyang gamitin, and hindi talaga masakit. Pwede kayong i-wax ng asawa ninyo, ng kapatid ninyo, ng helper ninyo, kahit sino. Kahit ikaw, kaya mong gawin sa bahay. Plus, ngayon na pandemic, no need to go to waxing salons. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin sa bahay. Sobrang happy ako na meron talagang positive na nangyari ngayon pandemic na to. Kasi dito sa Kiss Wax, we are open for distributors worldwide. Meron na kaming distributors in 7 countries. Most of you, mas kilala niyo po si Vanity because it's been in the market for 4 years. Ever since nung pandemic, naisip po namin na mag-launch ng bagong product. Through the help, of course, Wilma Bulbulizer. I'm so excited to share with you that this coming November, we are launching our next product. I can't wait to share it with you very soon. I'm sure isa tong product na mas mamahalin pa ninyo kasi talagang pinaghandaan namin to. So if you want to know more, you can contact us. You can visit our stores. We are open from Monday to Sunday. And marami kaming mga agents na pwede kayong sagutin if you do have questions. And we want to have you as our distributor.
This is Ma'am Wilma.
The Bulbulizer!
The Bulbulizer, the lady behind the Bulbulizer brand. Alright, so right now, Ezra's having a session with Miss Wilma. So in her industry, I think she's really famous now. For our girlfriends, for our wives, for the people who really want this. This is really essential. This is a must, no? So yeah, let's go back. All natural hair wax, no? So, pwede daw siya ng tikman. Wow! Guys, you see us always, eat sa restaurant with, some fancy food. Right now, I am tasting a hair wax. How cool is that? It's actually safe. No worries because it's actually edible.
Mas tipid and mas mabilis gawin.
Yeah, you don't need to go to the salon or the clinic. I guess it only took like 10 minutes for the entire procedure. So you save 500 pesos each time you visit the clinic. Miss Wilma is a celebrity bulbulizer. Yep, that's her. I'll talk about the experience na ginawa natin kanina. So Ezra, how was it? How was the experience?
Very painless.
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 So for you, do you recommend it to,
Of course, especially now, I believe the waxing salons are still closed. And good thing we have this product now that we can use at home. It's a very easy to use wax.
Both are 230 pesos only. You can check them out, available resellers or from Fleur Naturals or yung Vanity Connections. Well, if you're interested to you start your business with them, just message them.